Tom saying here, will you please describe how you surrendered to Kundalini? I'm having extreme anxiety again and would like a reminder of how to get through it and hopefully move forward. Yeah, so surrender is an ongoing thing. It doesn't happen just once. It happens over and over and over again. Some people may be familiar here with this teacher on YouTube, Marishika. She's like a Kundalini sort of guru type teacher from India. But one of her practices that she shares is that lay um on your belly on the ground, prostrate, arms ahead of you like this, legs out, and just completely put yourself into a surrender sort of state of mind with your entire physical body. In that position, it forces you to give up any fight because you can't fight when your arms are extended and you're laying on your belly. Psychologically, it puts you in a calm state uh, of surrender. So, sort of psychosomatic type experience. Um, that's like a thing you can do. I would also contemplate how much control you really have, right? How much control do you really have? What do you want to control, right? The most important things we don't control. The sun rising, we don't control that, or the earth rotating around the sun, we don't control that. The breath, we don't control that. The heartbeat, we don't control that. We don't control anything really. We don't have much control on anything. Can't even control the own thoughts in your head, right? You can't even have much control. So like just contemplate that. Like how much control do we really have? It's not much. It's not much. Surrender to Kundalini. Also, there's fear about giving up control. There's fear. What if I do that and something bad happens? So that's why I would invite you to also create an argument or a list or something to show you that you will be supported and trusted. These people I respect are telling me I'm safe. I've had this experience in the past that revealed to me I'm safe. This text, that text, this experience, this synchronicity, this dream, everything that you can find, create a large body of evidence to show you that you can trust in this process, this intelligence fully, right? Everything that you can find. Because essentially, there's part of you that believes that you could get hurt. And that's valid. That's valid for sure. And then also consider every time I hold on, does it go well for you? Has it worked out for you? Do you feel peace? Does it work? Just contemplate that. Make the argument for yourself from a rational place. Put yourself in maybe those positions in the body that invoke that within the body itself. And also be easy on yourself too. What's interesting is the beauty of this is Shakti, the goddess. She knows exactly the moment we're going to surrender to. That's also sanctioned by her. We're just sort of playing along in her drama. It's all actually all up to her. She's already laid it all out. We're just playing along. So there's no rush for it. And she's not waiting impatiently for you to surrender. She knows when you're going to surrender. So you just go through the journey in your own way. You can also note any tension or holding in your nervous system. Where are you tense and holding in your muscles, in your back, in your face? Let it go. Let it go. A relaxed nervous system translates over into a relaxed mind, a relaxed relationship with God. It all works out like that. It's all connected. You can approach it from all of these different angles. So I hope that helps, Tom. And it's a great question. And this is what I mean when I say, even if it's something that we've talked about before, we could talk about it again from a new place. We'll hear it differently. We'll express it differently. And so we've talked about surrender many times, but we could talk about it today too. And it's what we're here to do. Yeah. Yeah. It's great. It's a great topic. Yeah, Lisa's sharing here. Yeah, she always says bend down, bend down. Exactly, exactly. Just bend. Let her. And I would hear something very similar, which is let her have her way with you. Like internally, I would just hear let her have her way with you and surrender, right? Surrender. Let her have her way with you. Submit. Never hurt me. Not once. Vicky's sharing. You're letting her Kundalini have her way with you are the most liberating words ever. Right on. Yeah. And I say that in every dimension, every dimension. Let her have her way with you when it comes to your work, your career, your health, your relationships. Just let her take it all. Go ahead, Tom.